Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Before we start, if you like this type of content and you want to see more of this type of content, please like and subscribe. Also, you can use code QBrain to get a 7% discount on your order. And here we go. So today's unboxing will gonna be about the GAN Megaminx V2. And yeah, let's start. Okay, so I'm really excited for this cube. I cut some of the box by accident. It's not a big deal, it's okay. Okay, so whoa! What? Okay, like it over exceeded my expectations. Like this packaging. Okay. Okay, the cube box seems really cool. And let's open. Whoa, voila. Okay. Okay, so like it really seems different. Let me bring my main to compare the Dian V2M. Okay, so the difference is really noticeable. Okay, so it reminds me of the GAN 356 Maglev, which I have a review about. You can see it in my channel. Okay, so I feel like the ridges are more noticeable than the GAN Mega V1, which by the way, I don't have the V1, but once I did like, yeah, I did try it before. So like the first thing I noticed is the weight and the ridges between this and the Dian V2M. Okay, so let's try and see what's inside. Okay, I think it's hard, so let's just skip that. Okay, let's open the center cup and see what's inside. Whoa, okay. So yeah, I actually thought that or predicted that GAN would make this thing with the modern tensioning systems. Okay, so let's dig in the accessory box. Okay, so a black GAN bag. Oh, what? Okay. Never mind. Instructions, manual guide for the cube. Credit card. Seems very cool, to be honest. And yeah, that's it. So the cube is really good in general. I think this is the first Megaminx to have maglev instead of springs. What I noticed once I held it was its shape and the design of the pieces. I think GAN made a great job developing their Megaminx because the GAN Mega V1 wasn't that great. So to describe the layers, I think the best word is to describe it is butter. The layers are so smooth. And beside that, the thing that I really liked about this cube is that it's fast but stable at the same time. I think it's because of the core magnets. I actually did decide to main this cube. So if you want to buy this cube, you can buy it from Cubuzzle for 250 dirhams. And you can use code CubeRain for a 7% discount. Thanks for watching and see you later.